After unpacking all components from the parcel, please remove the cable ties from the connection cables of the applicators. Place the whole body applicator, optionally also FIR applicator, on a stable flat surface, for example, directly on the floor or on a firm couch or lounger. The whole body applicator can also be operated under a metal-free mattress. In this case, you must increase the intensity of the exposed magnetic field in the settings according to the density. Strongly shaped and soft furniture such as a soft bed mattress, sofa, armchair, or very soft carpets should be avoided, as the built-in copper coils can be damaged when pressure is applied on an uneven surface. Now connect the plugs of the applicators to the designated sockets on the left or right side of the connector box. For home use, it is not relevant which applicator is plugged into which socket. The iMRS Prime automatically recognizes the applicator that is plugged in. When plugging in the connectors, make sure that the arrows embossed in the connector are on the top side. This is the only way to insert the plug into the socket. Connect the pre-installed connection cable from the control panel to the socket of the connector box. Make sure that the embossed logo is on the top of the connector. This is the only way to insert the plug into the socket. Connect the power supply plug of the power supply unit to the socket of the connector box and plug the power supply unit into a nearby socket. When inserting the plug, make sure again that the arrows, which are stamped into the plug, are on the upper side. This is the only way to insert the plug into the socket.